My name is Peska with Kinzenbaw Earthmoving. Been with the company now for about 18 years. We're here today in Erie, Illinois. We're going to install 182 posts on a 300 kilowatt solar system. The PD5R pile driver will be the machine we're using today. It virtually pounds just as fast as our PD10 does, and we're not going to lose any efficiency at all with it. It'll actually be just as fast, if not faster. This machine here, I can pull with my pickup and a small trailer. It doesn't take me any longer to get here with my pickup and trailer than it does to just drive my pickup here, really. We work with a lot of different contractors, from a residential to a commercial to a utility-sized site. This machine fits very well with the residential for some of the very tight situations we get into. You can't fix what's existing. Trees, buildings, high lines. When we set this machine up, this is the size it is. I can drive it in, laid down like it is at this compact size. And for me to set it up, it's just the touch of a couple fingers. I don't have a crane putting my mass on or guys handling it when they shouldn't be. The auto plumb feature is one of my favorite features. We get into some sites that aren't graded as nice as others. And with that auto plumb, we set it once and we run down the line and it's always there. And it's quick and efficient. And we don't have to second guess somebody running a level. The reason we like the remote so well is some of these posts that we install, the tolerances are so tight on them, and virtually being able to be off the machine and watch our post being installed on the pin where it needs to be exactly is huge. We do the small sites with this thing, 4 posts, and then the next day I can be out installing 800 with it. I'm not going to lose any efficiency with this machine. It's a perfect fit for what we do.